Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simply Chisum and I share all things fussy hair care, DIYs and natural remedies. Now let's be honest, how many of you throw away your herbal tea leftovers? Drop a guilty in the comments if you have, or a smart if you've been reusing them. Today, I'm about to put you onto something amazing. Instead of tossing out those used herbs, I'll show you how to turn them into a rich, nourishing, deep conditioner that will have your hair thanking you, and trust me, your curls will love this. We're using some powerhouse ingredients: fenugreek, hibiscus, flaxseed, black seed, and cloves. I'll break down the benefits of each as we go. So stick around, right? Let's get into it. So here's what's left after making my herbal tea. It might look like it's done, but there is still so much goodness in here. We're about to blend this into a creamy deep conditioner. Quick question: do you ever add extra ingredients to your DIY deep conditioners? Maybe aloe vera, honey, or coconut milk? Let me know in the comments. I love trying out new combos. First step is to put all that in the pot and place it on the fire and let it boil for 2 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and pour it all in a blender and blend until smooth. Now, to avoid residue, you might want to use strainer to strain it out, or a cheesecloth. Now, look at that. That is the creamy nutrient packed goodness we are working with. Now, let's get into our hair. Section your hair and start applying. Start on freshly washed hair, damp hair so it absorbs better. I'm sectioning my hair into 6 to 7 parts to make application easier. Now let's get into why this mix is so amazing for your hair. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is packed with protein and nicotinic acid. This strengthens the hair shaft, reduces shedding, and keeps your roots strong. Hibiscus. This is a secret weapon for hair growth and volume. It also prevents premature graying and makes your hair feel softer. Flaxseed. If you love defined curls, you need flaxseed in your routine. It's full of omega-3s, which strengthens strands and adds shine. Black seed. This one is a scalp saver. It fights dandruff, strengthens roots, and helps prevent thinning. Last but not the least, cloves. Cloves wake up your scalp. They improve blood circulation, which means faster hair growth and stronger strands. What's your favorite DIY deep conditioner? I know some of you swear by avocado or banana max. Tell me your go-to recipe in the comments. Now, after you must have applied this to all over your hair is fully coated. Pop on a shower cap for extra penetration. Use a heat cap or wrap a warm towel around your head. Let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes so the nutrients can really soak in. Rinse with lukewarm water. Make sure to rinse properly so you don't have any residue left in your hair. You instantly feel how soft and moisturized your hair is. Look at this definition and shine. My hair feels super nourished and detangling is so much easier. If you try this, I want to hear your results. Did it make your curls pop? Was this for moisturizing? Come back and let me know in the comments. So instead of tossing out your herbal tea leftovers, give this deep conditioner a try. Fenugreek strengthens, hibiscus conditions, flaxseed defines, black seed nourishes, and cloves stimulates hair growth. Your hair will love it. Should I try another DIY treatment next? Maybe a protein max or a leave-in conditioner? Comment more DIYs so I know what to create next. Now, after washing your hair, you might want to go ahead and use your leave-in conditioner and then your hair oil or hair butter to seal in the moisture. And guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification so you don't miss my next video. Anyways, before we go, who else is guilty of this? Using an old t-shirt to dry the hair? I use that a lot because it makes it so easy for me and very convenient for me. So that's why I use it. Do you use it too? Let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.